Hello, my name's Hackett-Bauer, and I'm presenting the program timeline. So, demographics. So, why teaching? The reason why I got into music education was because I had two influential women in my life who really helped me to see that I have a passion and kind of a talent for music. And they said, why have you ever thought about teaching? And I had thought about it because teaching does run in my family, but they were the ones who really pushed me. And I have a passion, and so why not share this passion with students and spreading a knowledge for music and the love of music for other kids and other people to enjoy. I did my undergrad at Pittsburgh State University in music education. One really cool thing about that is my degree. I'm certified in band, choir, orchestra, general music, and secondary music. So that's a pre-K through 12 degree. For my teaching jobs, so far I've only done two jobs. My first job was at an elementary school where I taught K through 5 at Meeker Elementary in Greeley, Colorado from 2018 to 19. And then I came to Oakley, Kansas USD 274 where I teach 5th through 12th grade band. If I've done that from 2019 to the present. So additional teaching duties. Some of the things I have picked up, and all of these actually started in 2022, I do a weekly intervention for the entire school. So all of the students, they take what's called a time test. It's to get them ready for test prep, practicing. I send out articles that they read, and then they answer anywhere from 5 to 7 questions about the article. And the goal of it is that the students get used to getting timed and doing tests and repetitions of that so that when they go to take standardized tests or ACTs or whatever, they're prepared. I also serve on the KISA team for the school accreditation, and I am a certified mentor teacher. Why FHSU? So why school leadership? My mom and lots of other women in my family have actually always been a part of school leadership, started out as teachers, moved into principals, and then upper admin positions. So it runs in my family is the big one. I feel like I'm a natural born leader. I really struggle kind of following the flow. I rather be the chief and not the Indian. And I've always really liked the behind the scenes work, of what goes on day to day, what can I do to help foster and assist in such areas. So part of my timeline, which I'll go more into detail, but I did start in the fall of 2021 and I will finish this spring 2024. When to leave the classroom, honestly, I have no set date. It's literally when the spirit moves me. If I feel that there's an issue that has arisen or a position that's come up and I feel like I'm ready, then I'm going to take it, but that date is unknown at the moment. So here is my timeline. I put all of the different classes I took with their semester and the course number. So you'll see I've got spring, fall, summer, fall, spring. My e-portfolio I'm doing, started with this class and hope to obviously finish it this spring. So retirement. That is a kind of a funny word. I think at 28 years old, retirement, the only thing I have set up right now is my husband and I are doing our due diligence and saving for retirement, but I'm not quite sure when that retirement is going to be. It's unknown. Maybe it's when I get my points and maybe I'll be ready by then. Maybe I'll want to work 5-10 more years. I just don't know. So like I said, the date's unknown. I am saving though. So, but I do know some of our retirement plans are the following. My mom, after she got out of the school system, she used her education, and she is an educational consultant for a company that travels all around the United States. And so I think that sounds really interesting. You kind of get to pick the places you go, what you teach, and how long you're there for. So I like the idea of that. So I am still kind of have my foot in the door, for education still. We have 2 family places. We have a family farmhouse. I included a picture of the family barn in a beautiful, beautiful western Kansas sunset. We would love to someday become caretakers of the farm, beyond the next generation of farming, help continue that, as well as there is a family lake house. And so we've talked about this idea of maybe during the fall, winter, spring-ish months we live at the farm, and then when late spring going into summer we transfer to the lake house, and back and forth. And regardless, music is always going to be in my life. Regardless if I take an admin job or whatnot, I will always continue to put music in my life. So thank you so much.